As soon as I cut the clip, immediately fish on. The big porgy. Alright guys, live on camera, we broke the 5 fish curse. This is the biggest for the day. Alright, back on the next fish, you guys. Don't pump it like that, man. We're on our way to breaking the 9 fish curse too.
Guys, so far for the year, this is the best fishing day we've had.
Any fish we fish for, this is the best. I mean, we had fun with the stripers, but then the motor gave up. Alright guys, back on the next one guys. But it ain't nothing to boast about. I don't think. Hiding, but I don't think it's a keeper. Let's see when he gets up. Might make it. Ten and a half, guys. Alright, back on the next fish. This one I doubt very much is going to be going in the cooler. Definitely not going in the cooler. Definitely not going in the cooler. Alright guys, back on the next fish. Not a big one. Not a baby.
Oh, well,
Alright guys, fish on from Matthew. I was just gonna cut the clip. Measure them up. Nine and a half inches, guys. Gonna go back. And he just took off. Back on the next fish, guys. I don't know if it's worth the cooler. It's not fighting. Definitely not. Seems to be a lot of small ones this year. Yeah, guys, back on the next fish. This is going to be a cooler for me. It's going for the cooler. Let me measure it first. It's gotta be. It's a keeper. Alright guys, back on the next fish. Sorry guys. Another shorty. Get shown from after. This is going to be a keeper, don't fall. This is definitely a cooler. Alright guys, back on the next one from after guys. Another baby Porgy. We're gonna go to that spot behind the marina now. I just changed. All the big ones are over here. So we'll see you guys back in a bit. Welcome back, you guys.
That's a big fish, yo.
That's a striper.
That's a good shit.
There's a striper eating the bunker there, guys. You can't unjig him, you gotta do it quick. You gotta hurry up, you gotta hurry up. Cocktail blues. Looks like a cocktail blue busting up them bunkers. Let's see if we get some live action for you guys.
Best saltwater bait ever, guys.
That's if he hurries up.
Oh, it's right there.
Drag. Drag. Get about right where you saw that bunker last.
That wasn't the bunker that was in there.
No. He's using the whopper plopper, guys. starting to look like our 10th porgies are evading us. So now we're stuck. We broke the 5 porgy curse, now we're stuck on a 9 porgy curse.
We'll make it good, bro. We make it good.
Alright guys, be back with you with anything. Push on for Matthew again, guys. It's me, Robin. Yeah. Alright guys, you know what? We're gonna switch over to fluke. Back on the next fish now. We both switch over to fluke. Flounder. Think you need the net? It's a big one, take your time. Oh, okay. Baby. You got yourself a baby flounder, guys. All of it. Make sure you're a fisherman, you gotta learn to hold the fish.
No, I hold the flounder.
Alright guys, Desmond Fishing Reef. It is now 2:07 p.m. We got 10 porgies, the one shark. Most porgies on the boat for the season. Calling it a day. A lot of undersides. We picked up a little bit and the water got dirty. Fish got biting. All in all, we had about, as you saw in the video, close to 20, 30 shorts. Off camera and on camera. A lot of short porgies. Well, technically they're all keepers, 9 inches, but we don't keep them 9 inches. We threw back a lot.
We had a lot of short porgies,
A lot of short porgies, a lot of bearded keeper.
a few sea robins, one fluke.
And Matthew just had the one fluke, I think you saw it on camera. Yeah, you saw it on camera. Alright, until next time guys, Desmond, Fishing Reef, peace.